change for mathematics. It's time for mathematics. I can see I'm late by some few seconds and they're exactly 0.8 seconds, but you need not to worry. As I told you earlier, I've been teaching KCSE since 1984 and I've also marked many KCSE papers since 2003, but let us not worry. It's time for mathematics for the next 2 hours. Pure mathematics. Now, I want us to start from where we left the other day. And as I can see, kijana, you are having some sugar cane. That is a sugar cane. It is a sugar cane and it's a sugar cane from the school. Wake up, kijana, simama. Go down, I'm talking to you and you're standing.
Nataka muniombe. I'm going through a lot of problems. Na ni mimi nijiletea.
You have not cleared school fees. Lie down, kijana. Go down, go down. Go down, kijana. You are an indisciplined student. You may decide kukula miwa ya shule. Leo utashinda pa shamba ya shule. I want you to go and take all that manure. Peke yangu? Peke yako. Ile niko pale pa shamba ya shule. Chukua. Nipeleke hadi kwa shamba ya miwa. Leo utashinda pa shamba ya miwa. Sawa kijana? Get out of my class. I don't want to see you. Chukua miwa yako.
A few moments later.
Go down, go down.
Bas, makosa.
Unataka imanywa yote. Kueleke kwa nataka imanywa shamba ya miwa. Si unakula miwa darasani. Hapana, hii kidogo yote inaenda kwa shamba ya miwa. Hii kidogo
yote sibebangi usishikangi uchafu.
Changamkia wheelbarrow.
A few moments later.